swimming. My Japan treasure.
You go walk there. Let's go, you walk there. You run. You like to run?
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, Wendy.
Yeah. Look. Look.
Vlog.
Look. Another one. Look. My dad black.
Oo, di pa tapos ano. Pero pwede palang pupunta. Careful. Parito kong cellphone, malalaglag.
Ha! My hair that sound?
What sound do you hear?
My hair that sound?
What sound do you hear ba?
Oh, that sound.
That's the waves. Look. Diba?
Oh, look big. Oh, look big. Look, the wind coming.
Yeah, there's a strong wind blowing your hair.
Yeah. Yeah, look. Look. Look.
Dito na lang muna. Next Sunday na lang ulit. At least nakita mo na tadaan na ng 4 wheels.
Mommy, look. Fishy there.
There's a fish.
There's a fish there. The fish there under the sea.
Yeah, they live under the sea. The fish lives in the sea.
Color of that too dirty because it's too brown.
Oh, look. Nothing?
Come on, let's walk some more.
Okay.
Can you sing?
Maybe not singing
Which way do you want to go?
Let's go there at the forest. You run there. Come there.
over there.
Yeah. Let's go run.
Not there.
Yeah, not there. It's broken.
Okay. Oh,
Let's go kami.
whoa!
First, wait mommy first.
Oh, look! I,
It's a nice place.
yeah.
Look, there's the forest.
Now look, over there, this one, maybe.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah.
The other one.
Leaves! Leaves! We not leaves.
What that sounds? You hear the sounds?
That over there, he'll sound that over there.
Side.
Yeah.
Let's wait, mommy.
Hey, mommy! Mommy! That hill sound over there?
Yeah. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Oh, you hear that?
That's again.
Yeah. You want Daddy fix this one?
That
Let me fix it. Fix it. Okay, it's fixed na. No more na. Don't touch na.
that look at the hill sound over there.
It's like a sound of dinosaur.
Mommy, my hill sound over there.
What sound do you hear?
My hill sound over there.
Ano yun, yung mga ibon?
Ayun.
Yung
Here, let's go. Let's run.
You
Malato.
want to run?
Malugod yung umude. Yung sana umude. Matunay wato. Dede wato de.
Careful, do not fall down. Ah, there's a crocodile there.
There's so many sounds.
Parang ano yung tunog oh.
That sound.
That's the sound of many birds.
My boat.
Yeah.
Hey, that is the tunay boat.
Yeah.
Pizza. Sa deka. Cash. Daddy, look.
What's that ba? It's a boat?
Yes, it like that boat.
Yeah.
Daddy like that boat. Mommy, wait a minute. Malugod like that boat.
Yeah.
Malugod like that boat.
That's the boat.
Madabab tayo like that boat there.
Which one? What else do you see?
She water look water.
Yeah, that's called the mangrove tree.
Madofri,
Opo.
what is like the planting?
Yes, that's where they grow. In the water.
That's the under the water.
Opo.
What's out there? What's
What?
out?
You want... The tree's not shouting, the birds.
This one is the underwater the shout there.
It's not under the water, anak. It's there inside the mangrove trees.
Come on, let's run. One.
You want to run?
Yeah.
Come on.
One. Two. One. Only one. Yeah.
Enjoy niya yung paligid. Hindi makarunning. Bawal mag-running. Sige, explore.
Yeah.
Anak mong explorer.
Yes.
Try to catch the leaves. You want?
It's too far away. Anak.
But too high.
Too high.
Grabe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Catch it.
Yeah. Hey. Too slow.
Maraming ano dyan, alimango.
Oh, diba? Masito.
Parang ayaw mong lumusong sa ganyan. Oh.
Matunay, matude.
Tayo ba ng ibon yun o talaba?
May bisi de, umude.
Oy, don't poke your head there.
Malug,
ka.
si umude.
Yeah.
What's si umude?
What's that? Something's there. Oh, look, what's that ba? Nothing. Only what?
My teacher.
There's a creature.
Yan is the under the water.
Me here. You run.
No pin.
Tingnan ko na lang yung big na. Walang kasya.
Yun naman mahulog niya yung nasa damit.
Ow!
Let's run.
Ah!
Right. Diba we run here at the forest?
No, only walking.
Only walking, mommy, only walking down.
Nag-enjoy.
Pusa.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Hubutaw! Hubutaw!
If you fall down, the crocodile will eat you.
Hubutaw!
May entrance fee na pala ngayon.
Tatlo.
Nak, you walk in the middle lang para hindi ka hulog daw. Ha?
Okay.
Thank you for listening.
Look. Look, blue side there.
Yeah, you love it?
Yeah.
Do you remember last time we go here, you have your red bike?
Right side.
Right back.
We can have this.
Ito nga pala yung mangrove. no? Aba. Parang malunggay.
Then no walk like that.
I got you. Hey,
Then no walk like that.
okay.
No.
Huwag daw pa backwards yung lakad mo. Quality control. Yuji Kenshin.